Michael from Makita, and today I'm going to go through the features of our new 40V Max Brushless 3/4 inch impact wrench, the TW001G. Part of the XGT range, designed with innovative technology, durable design and higher output batteries. This new model is a premium addition to the current range of Makita cordless tools, designed to suit the needs of high-demand industrial users. The high-powered XGT battery has been designed for continuous operation in heavy-duty applications, such as the continuous fastening of large diameter bolts in high-temperature environments. With a massive 1800 Newton meters of maximum fastening torque and 2050 Newton meters of nut busting torque, the TW001 provides 50% more power than the comparable 18V model. Additionally, if you need to rein in that power, there's a 4-stage speed selector that will lower the speed, allowing you to achieve various levels of fastening torque. In stage 3, you'll get 1500 Newton meters, stage 2 840, and stage 1 450 Newton meters of fastening torque. The TW001G has been designed to be highly intelligent in order to harness all of that power, featuring an optimized application selector with 3 modes, each with a various degree of speed and impact rate to optimize fastening to the task at hand. For example, in forward rotation, the wrench can be set to automatically stop at 3 different intervals, either immediately after detecting the first impact, half a second, or 1 second after impacting is detected. This allows for various degrees of fastening torque to be achieved and is ideal for temporarily fastening bolts without over-tightening. The same occurs in reverse rotation, where the tool will automatically stop at different intervals, preventing the nut from being thrown out across the job site or backing out something that's under tension. The final bit of innovation on this wrench is full speed mode, and this will disable the variable speed trigger, allowing for a shorter trigger pull to reach full speed. This significantly reduces hand fatigue for trades required to fasten hundreds of bolts in a single day's work. So that's the new 40V Max Brushless 3/4 inch impact wrench, the TW001G. For further detail on the power, durability and innovation of the XGT range, check out our video on the XGT battery and charger technology. For the full XGT range, head over to our website. I'm Michael from Makita. Thanks for watching.
Vinod Patel, Complete Home and Building.